Hey everyone, welcome back to Trendy Reviews. Today we're diving into the top 5 best camping chairs in 2025 if you're searching for the most efficient camping chairs. You've come to the right place. We showcasing top features and benefits of the leading camping chairs on the market. Whether you're into camping, prepping for emergencies, or going green, this is the ultimate eco-friendly solution. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more reviews on the latest tech and sustainable products. Let's dive in. Number 5. Nemo Stargaze Reclining Camp Chair. The Nemo Stargaze Reclining Camp Chair has revolutionized my outdoor lounging experience. Its innovative design seamlessly combines the comfort of a recliner with the portability of a camp chair, allowing me to kick back and stargaze in style. The suspended rocking motion feels like a hammock in chair form, providing the perfect balance between relaxation and support. The durable weather-resistant materials make it ideal for various outdoor environments, and the setup is a breeze. The cup holder adds a practical touch, and the sleek aesthetics make it a stand out in any campsite. From sipping a morning coffee to unwinding under the night sky, the Stargaze Camp Chair has become an essential companion for my outdoor adventures, offering comfort and versatility that's hard to beat. Number 4. Coleman Broadband Mesh Quad Chair. The Coleman Broadband Mesh Quad Chair has become my go-to companion for outdoor adventures, and I can't help but sing its praises in this review. The chair's design flawlessly combines comfort and functionality with its breathable mesh back and seat, ensuring a cool and relaxing experience even during the hottest days. The sturdy steel frame provides reliable support, and appreciate the convenient side pocket for stashing essentials like snacks or a book. Setting up and packing away is a breeze with the easy-to-use folding system, making it ideal for camping trips or just lounging in the backyard. Whether I'm at a music festival or around the campfire, the Coleman Quad Chair has proven itself as the perfect blend of comfort, durability and portability, making it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Number 3. YTI Trailhead Chair. The YTI Trailhead Chair is an absolute game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts seeking comfort and durability from the moment you unfold this chair. You can feel the robust construction that defines the YTI brand. The flex grid fabric conforms to your body, providing a supportive and comfortable seating experience whether you're at a campsite, beach or tailgate. What sets the Trailhead Chair apart is its packability. It collapses easily and features an integrated carry handle, making it a breeze to transport. The robust frame and HD ProMag technology ensures stability on various terrains, and the adjustable tension allows you to customize the sitting experience. Yeti's attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the Trailhead Chair, making it an investment for anyone who values quality outdoor gear. Overall, this chair delivers on the YTI promise: rugged, reliable and ready for any adventure. Number 2. Nemo Moonlight Reclining Camp Chair. The Nemo Moonlight Reclining Camp Chair has truly revolutionized my outdoor relaxation experience. Its innovative design seamlessly blends comfort and portability, making it a standout choice for any camping or outdoor adventure. The recline mining feature adds a luxurious touch, allowing me to find the perfect angle for stargazing or unwinding by the campfire. The chair is impressively lightweight, making it easy to carry on hikes or to set up at a scenic spot. The Moonlight's durable construction and thoughtful details like a convenient cup holder and sturdy frame showcase Nemo's commitment to quality. Whether you're a camping enthusiast or just someone who appreciates outdoor comfort, the Nemo Moonlight Reclining Camp Chair is a game-changer that elevates your relaxation game under the open sky. Number 1. Alps Mountaineering Getaway Chair. The Alps Mountaineering Getaway Chair has truly elevated my outdoor relaxation experience. Crafted with both comfort and durability in mind, this chair strikes the perfect balance for any outdoor enthusiast. Its lightweight design makes it incredibly portable, and the compact folding mechanism ensures easy transportation for camping trips or beach outing. What sets this chair apart is its remarkable stability. I found myself lounging comfortably without the worry of tipping over. The sturdy steel frame and robust fabric held up admirably even on uneven terrains. The integrated cup holder is a thoughtful touch, adding a touch of convenience to the overall design. From its reliable build to the cozy seating experience it offers, the Alps Mountaineering Getaway Chair is a stellar addition to any outdoor adventure, making it a must-have for my relaxation arsenal. The most recent and biggest tack Thanks for watching this review of the top 5 best camping chairs in 2024. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to Trendy Reviews and hit the notification bell, so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews and eco-friendly tips. Check out these other videos for more great content on top 5 best camping chairs in 2024. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.